I just want to show you here what can happen. I noticed this on this bike here, on this 2006 supercharged Sea-Doo GTX 4-Tech Rotax 1503. If you see this, this is obviously the cam chain sprocket, and inside here, this goes obviously on the cam, it goes in here in this hole. Okay, and what I noticed was, when I was checking the timing, was that there's a valve that goes in here, and it's this valve here, and what this does is it's a crankcase vent valve, and I believe when the jet ski turns upside down, what it does is it keeps things from running out the crankcase and into the water, and so on and so forth. So probably some damn EPA something or other, whiz-banger gadget. As you can see, there's a little valve in there, it turns upside down. But the point is, this little seal here goes in this hole, and it goes like this. Okay? And then your hose goes to here, your crankcase breather hose. And there's supposed to be a washer behind this, and I noticed there was no washer. So I started looking around and couldn't seem to find it, and the only obvious thing was that the spacer, either they left it out or it fell down in it. And I'm not one to want to take chances, so I started looking around for it, and lo and behold, I pulled off the timing cover, or the PTO cover as it's called, and looked down here in the oil galley at the very bottom. And what do we have but this little guy here, which does not belong there. And there it is. And there's the washer right there. And this washer fits inside here. You can even see how it's got a cutout for it. And it sits into this recessed hole, and then the face of this grommet goes up against it to seal off. And so, can you imagine, with this thing is supercharged, so it's gear-driven supercharger. You got your oil pump drive there, your water pump drive over here. Can you imagine what would happen if that piece, and by the way guys, it is magnetic, as you can tell, it's steel, it's not stainless. So if this got in there, and actually looking at the teeth on the reluctor on the flywheel, I can see where it's got marks on the teeth. If you look, you can tell that should not be there. It's got scratches, obviously, you can see. And at some point in time, this thing was running, and this fell down in the motor. Now, this is stuff that you need to know with these. So, if you accidentally drop this, or something happens to it, and it falls down in there, the only way you're going to get this back, you're not going to get a little tiny magnet past this magnet. This is a powerful magnet. I mean, you're not going to do it. Believe me, fishing around, there's no way to get to it. There's no way to get in here. So if you drop this down in there, you had better be sure that you take this cover off and pull this out. Don't take it and hand it off to another technician and not tell the customer about it, because this is what happens. And it causes a lot of problems. So, anyway, this is Dave. You guys have a great day. Subscribe to my channel. Like it if you want. See ya.